Hey y'all, what's up? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to get sturdy. So first, you just want to get the foot that you're most comfortable with moving. And then you want to just do a little exercise and kick your foot all the way up and all the way back. Like, you want to kick your foot up and then you want to kick it back and up and back. And it's optional if you want to do your other leg too, that you're comfortable with but not like so comfortable with. But if you're comfortable with both feet or both legs, then just go ahead and do both already. But there's a part in how to get sturdy that's like you have to squat and then kick, and you have to use both legs for that. So if you want to use both legs, you can. If you don't, it doesn't matter, but it'll help you later on if you use both legs. So first, you're gonna kick up, kick back, kick up, and kick back. And then you do that with the other leg, kick up, kick back, kick up, kick back. And you just wanna keep doing that until you feel that it's good enough for you. Then, the next step will be that you're gonna, not do the exercise anymore. You're gonna kick front and kick back, front and kick back. Not all the way up here, just like right here, and you're gonna kick back, kick front, kick back, kick. So I'm gonna put you guys down lower so you can see how my legs are moving and now how my upper body is moving. So let's do that. Okay, so you wanna kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back. And then, once you've mastered that, if you want, just like the exercise, you can do that with the other leg. Kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back. You don't have to. So then, once you've mastered the kick front, kick back, you're gonna do that and then add the squat and kick. So it's gonna look like this once you've done it all. Kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back, and then squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. So that's how it's gonna look when you put both of them together. But until you get that all mastered, you can just do the kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back. And if you need a little bit more time, you can pause the video and do it by yourself. Or if you need a little more like direction, you can rewind the video and just see what I did before. So you're gonna go. So one more time, you're gonna go kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back, kick front, kick back, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. So yeah, that's basically what you want to do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if it was very helpful, please share this video with everyone you know, your mom, your dad, your sister, your cousin, your grandpa, your grandparents, anything. Anyone who you think, well, maybe not your grandpa and your grandparents, because they may break a bone trying to get sturdy, but yeah. So just share with anyone that you think is flexible and that can move and that would enjoy having this time to get sturdy. So I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers, and I know I'm not fully there yet, but I'm trying to get there. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.